Welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring the best Bluetooth amplifiers that can upgrade your sound system with powerful audio and wireless convenience. We'll break down top models that deliver strong output, clear sound quality, deep bass, and easy Bluetooth connectivity for home speakers, cars, or entertainment setups. Whether you're an audio enthusiast or just want a better listening experience, these amplifiers are designed to bring your music to life with rich, high-quality sound. Check the links in the description for full details and buying options. So stay tuned and watch the full video to find the perfect Bluetooth amplifier for your setup. Number 1. ZK1002T RPO 2.0 Channel Bluetooth 5.0 Amplifier Board. The ZK1002T RPO Bluetooth 5.0 Amplifier Board is a compact DIY audio amplifier module designed for users who want to build or upgrade their speaker systems. It delivers up to 100W plus 100W stereo output, with support for subwoofer-style bass enhancement and multi-input flexibility. This amplifier supports Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity, along with USB and AUX input options, making it compatible with a wide range of devices including smartphones, PCs, and media players. The connection is stable and suitable for home audio setups or DIY speaker projects. One of its standout features is the independent treble and bass adjustment controls, allowing users to fine-tune audio directly from the board without needing external software or devices. This makes it especially useful for custom speaker builds where manual sound tuning is important. The board also includes multiple built-in protection systems, such as overvoltage, undervoltage, overheating, and short-circuit protection, helping improve safety and long-term reliability. Its compact size makes it easy to install inside speaker boxes or custom enclosures. Pros: powerful 100W plus 100W stereo output. Bluetooth 5.0 stable wireless connection. Multiple inputs, Bluetooth, USB, AUX. Built-in treble and bass adjustment. Compact DIY-friendly design. Multiple safety protections, overheat, short circuit, etc. Good value for home audio projects. Cons: not suitable for professional studio-grade audio. Requires proper power supply, 12V, 24V. Sound quality depends heavily on speaker build quality. Limited documentation for beginners. Final verdict: the ZK1002T Bluetooth amplifier board is a strong choice for DIY audio enthusiasts who want a simple yet powerful amplifier module. It delivers solid output power, flexible input options, and useful sound tuning controls in a very compact design. However, it is not a plug-and-play consumer amplifier like branded home audio systems. It performs best when used in properly built speaker enclosures with correct power setup. Number 2. FBA-10 Guitar Amp. The FBA-10 Guitar Amp is a compact 10W portable amplifier designed for electric guitar players who want a lightweight solution for practice, travel, and casual jamming. Despite its small size, it delivers a surprisingly versatile sound experience with both clean and drive channels. Built with full analog technology, the amp produces a natural tone across a frequency range of 100 Hz, 20 kHz, offering clear sound reproduction suitable for home practice or small space playing. The 10W output power is strong enough for personal use in indoor environments, covering a moderate listening range for practice sessions. One of its key features is the dual tone mode system, allowing users to switch between a clean tone and a more aggressive overdriven sound. Combined with gain and tone controls, players can fine-tune their sound to match different playing styles, from soft blues to heavier rock tones. The amp also includes modern connectivity options such as Bluetooth 5.3 wireless audio, a 3.5mm headphone jack for silent practice, and an AUX input for external audio playback. Its USB-C rechargeable battery offers up to 6 hours of playtime, making it highly portable for travel or outdoor use. Thumbs up pros: compact and highly portable design. Clean and drive tone modes for versatility. Full analog sound output for natural tone. Bluetooth 5.3 wireless audio support. Headphone jack for silent practice. USB-C rechargeable with decent battery life. Good for beginners in travel practice. Thumbs down. Cons. 10W power is not suitable for stage performance. Drive channel may produce slight background hiss. Small speaker limits deep bass response. Not ideal for professional studio use. Brain final verdict. The FBA-10 Guitar Amp is a great portable practice amplifier for beginners and casual guitar players. It combines convenience, wireless functionality, and solid tone control in a compact form factor. While it is not designed for live stage performance or professional recording, it excels as a travel-friendly practice amp with flexible sound options and easy usability. Number 3. WiiM Mini AirPlay 2 Wireless Audio Streamer. The WiiM Mini is a compact high-resolution audio streamer designed to upgrade any existing speaker system into a smart, wireless multi-room setup. It is especially popular among users who want AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and Alexa integration without buying expensive smart speakers. It supports AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and optical output, making it highly flexible for home audio setups. One of its strongest points is high-res audio support up to 24-bit/192 kHz, allowing studio-quality playback when using compatible music services. The device works seamlessly with Amazon Music, Tidal, Spotify Connect, and Apple devices, and can be grouped with other AirPlay 2 or Alexa devices for whole-home audio syncing. It also supports voice assistants, Alexa and Siri, and can be controlled via the WiiM Home app for streaming, EQ adjustments, and multi-room setup. Pros. High-res audio support up to 24-bit/192 kHz. AirPlay 2 plus Spotify Connect plus Alexa Cast support. Very compact and easy to install. Excellent multi-room audio system integration. Works with both Apple and Android ecosystems. Cons. No Google Cast support. AirPlay only receives, not transmits. Needs external speaker system, not standalone. App required for full features. Final verdict. The WiiM Mini is one of the best budget high-res audio streamers available. It is perfect for upgrading traditional speakers into a modern wireless system with AirPlay 2 and multi-room features. While it lacks Google Cast, it delivers excellent value and strong audio performance for home users. Number 4. Fosi Audio BT28 Pro Bluetooth 5.0 Amplifier. The Fosi Audio BT28 Pro is a compact yet powerful Class D stereo amplifier designed for home audio systems, DIY speaker setups, and outdoor passive speaker use. It delivers high output power while keeping a small footprint, making it a popular choice for budget hi-fi enthusiasts. It uses the TPA-3255 amplifier chip, which is known for high efficiency and low distortion. With 300W-X2 output power, it can drive most passive bookshelf speakers or small floor standing speakers with ease. The amplifier supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. It also includes bass and treble control knobs, giving users basic sound customization without needing external equipment. One of its standout features is the swappable op-amp design, which allows audio enthusiasts to upgrade internal components, like Muses or OPA series chips, for different sound signatures. This makes it more flexible than typical entry-level amplifiers. Pros. Very powerful output, 300W-X2, for its size. Clean, efficient Class D TPA-3255 amplification. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless streaming. Bass and treble tone control. Upgradable op-amp design for sound tuning. Compact and easy to install in DIY setups. Cons. No built-in display or advanced UI. Bluetooth only, no Wi-Fi or app control. Requires external power supply. Basic design with no advanced smart features. Not ideal for professional studio-grade audio use. Number 5. AK-45 Stereo Audio Amplifier. The AK-45 Stereo Audio Amplifier is a budget-friendly 2-channel Bluetooth amplifier designed for home audio systems, karaoke setups, and small entertainment spaces. It combines multiple input options with basic tone control in a compact and affordable package. It delivers up to 300W plus 300W peak power, 40W plus 40W rated output, making it suitable for driving small to medium passive speakers in bedrooms, offices, or small home theater setups. The amplifier features Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. It also supports USB and SD card playback, giving users offline music options without needing external devices. For sound tuning, it includes bass, treble, and volume control knobs, along with a remote control for convenient operation from a distance. Additionally, it has a built-in FM radio function, adding more entertainment flexibility. Thumbs up pros. Affordable multifunction amplifier. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity. USB and SD card playback support. Built-in FM radio. Bass and treble adjustment controls. Remote control included. Compact size, easy to install. Thumbs down cons. Rated power is low compared to claimed peak power. Sound quality is basic, not hi-fi level. Not suitable for large rooms or high-end speakers. Build quality is entry-level. No advanced DSP or tuning features. Brain final verdict. The AK-45 stereo amplifier is a good entry-level audio solution for users who want a simple, all-in-one amplifier for casual listening, karaoke, or small home setups. While it offers many features like Bluetooth, USB playback, and FM radio, its sound quality and real power output are limited, making it best for light use rather than serious audiophile systems.